Me. A total clean freak. To get my house perfectly clean, I basically wash the mop after mopping every single room. I thought that would be enough to keep things spotless, but it still ended up dirty. And there were still lots of water stains. So to solve all that, I decided to upgrade my gear. This time, I want to give you a deep dive into the HIZERO F300, an all-in-one combo that claims to be the perfect match for clean freaks like me. A lot of floor cleaners claim to be self-cleaning, but real-time self-cleaning? That's probably something you've never heard of. It cleans the mop head 100 times per minute, that's once every 0.6 seconds. That means, every single stroke uses a freshly cleaned mop. And every inch of your floor gets cleaned with fresh water. Even after mopping, I can scrub the floor hard with a tissue, and it's still squeaky clean. And best of all, no water streaks. What really amazed me is this multi-roller. This dark-looking thing is actually made of a high-tech polymer. Unlike fuzzy rollers that trap dirt, this one's flat. You rinse it and it's clean. That's how it achieves real-time cleaning. It's just that easy to rinse. And this polymer material has two key features. First, it's super absorbent. Second, it has amazing adhesion. That's right. This mop uses adhesion, not suction. It relies entirely on adhesion. Traditional cleaners like robot vacuums or regular vacuums use suction to pick up debris. But this mop relies on the roller's adhesive surface to collect dirt. At first, I was skeptical. I was worried it wouldn't be adhesive enough. But after testing it, I found it could pick up everything. Milk, crumbs, hair, even greasy kitchen messes. And since it doesn't need suction, its power consumption is really low. Just 40 watts. I can mop our 100 square meter home and still have battery left. Secondly, it's super quiet. Way quieter than a vacuum. I can even clean early in the morning without waking anyone up. By the time the kid's awake, the floor's already spotless. And he can run around barefoot. Let me show you the result of my cleaning session. This is the wastewater tank, and all the wastewater is stored here separately. As you see, it's really dirty. Inside the machine, you'll find a separate container for solid waste. Even though I clean my floor every day, I'm still shocked by how dirty the house gets. And this part here is the hair collection roller. With the provided brush comb, just give it a push, and all the hair comes off in one go. After you're done, just place it on the dock and it automatically starts recharging. Now I clean with it almost every morning. When your floors are spotless and completely dust-free, and your kids can run around barefoot, you get this quiet joy, knowing your home is that clean. If you're a clean freak or have messy little ones at home, I really think you should give the HIZERO F300 a try.